Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Let's get ready to do the next bunch of rows in my lowercase alphabet blanket. I'll take you through the pattern for the rows number 43 to 48 today, and in case you're looking for the previous parts of this project, they are right here in a neat little playlist. This is part 5 of this pattern, and part 1 has all the details of the materials I use, the stitches used, size of the blanket, and all the information that you would need to get started with this project. So do check that out. And I've also mentioned the materials in the description below. For now, let's go straight to the pattern for row number 43. Let's go. Alright everyone, so once you're done with row number 42, time for row number 43. Okay, chain 1, turn your work, and we'll start with 6 single crochets. Okay, do a bobble stitch in the next stitch. Twelve single crochets after that. A bobble in the next stitch. Six single crochets after that. A bobble stitch in the next stitch. Nine single crochets. A bobble. And 9 single crochets again. Let's do a bobble in the next stitch. Now we are in the hexagon for U. Let's do 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next stitch. Four single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. 7 single crochets after the bobble. A bobble in the next stitch. Eight single crochets next. A bobble in the next stitch. Single crochet next, and a bobble in the next stitch. Put 8 single crochets after that bobble. A bobble in the next stitch. And 6 single crochets after that. And then we need 4 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. So let's do that. Okay, after the 4th bobble stitch, we need to do 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next. And let's end this row just like we started with 6 single crochets. Okay, chain 1, Done your work for row number 44. Go ahead and do that. It's gonna be a row of single crochet in every stitch. That's gonna be your row number 44, and I'll meet you when we are ready for row number 45. Okay everyone, ready for row number 45. Let's start with a chain stitch and turn your work. And the first thing we're gonna do is 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next stitch. Twelve single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Six single crochets after that. A bobble in the next stitch. Nine single crochets after that. A bobble next. Nine single crochets again. Bobble in the next. Six single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Four single crochets next. Bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets next. A bobble after that. Seven single crochets next. A bobble. Three single crochets. A bobble after that. Seven single crochets next. Put a bobble in the next stitch. Five single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Three single crochets. A bobble. Three single crochets again. Bobble in the next. Five single crochets after that bobble. And put a bobble in the next stitch. We'll end row number 45 just like we started with 6 single crochets. Okay, That was your row number 45. For row 46, chain 1, turn your work and go ahead and do a row of single crochet in every stitch. That's going to give you your row number 46, and come back for row number 47. Okay everyone, so once you're done with row number 46, for 47, chain 1, turn your work. And let's start with 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next. Twelve single crochets after that. A bobble after the 12 single crochets. Six single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Do 9 single crochets next. Put a bobble in the next stitch. And 9 single crochets after the bobble. A bobble in the next. Six single crochets after that. Bobble next. Four single crochets. And a bobble. Seven single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Seven single crochets next. A bobble next. Three single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Seven single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Five single crochets. Bobble. Three single crochets. A bobble in the next. Three single crochets again. A bobble in the next. And five single crochets after that. Put a bobble in the next stitch. And we'll end this row like we started with 6 single crochets. Alright, chain 1, turn your work, and we are all set to do row number 48, which is gonna be a row of single crochet in every stitch. Get that done and come back for row number 49. Alright, with that I think we are good to stop here for today. I'll be back with part 6 very soon. Meanwhile, if you like my work, please hit the like button, and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel and crochet along with me. And while I'm working on releasing the next part, if you wish to start on another exciting, beautiful project, here's the playlist for my Sweet Dreams blanket pattern, which I'm sure you're gonna love. Okay, then I'll see you very soon with the next bunch of rows. Till then, take care and happy crocheting.